Hi, students. Let's take a look at your week 5 assignments. This is just about the end of Module 1, so if you are behind, please catch up. You must submit all past due assignments by Monday, March 3rd. Please carefully read my course announcement that I've just posted for week 5 that outlines the assignments you have for this week and also my policies again about submitting late work and some information about your Module 1 test that you will be taking in class in week 6. Please plan to be in class on time with your notes and annotations for the assigned reading for the test that you will see posted in week 5. I strongly advise you not to miss class. If you do, you will need to provide a documented and qualified excuse to be able to make up that test and to make up for lost time with your group because you'll have time to work with them after that test. All right, here's your calendar. Notice that you have 3 assignments that are due. Well, actually 2 assignments due on March 3rd and 1 optional. You need to bring your notes to class on March 5th, week 6, and that actual PowerPoint for your group presentation is not due until March 10th. So let's take a look. Of course, we go to content, and you know here in week 5 that you then go to learning modules, module 1. Make sure to click on week 5 so you have all of my instructions. Again, assignments, groups also are listed here for the group projects. So look carefully at this information I have for you here. Your first optional assignment. Again, you did this already as the warm-up in week 5, but if you would like to retake the vocabulary and parts of speech warm-up quiz we did, feel free. You have 1 more attempt at that, okay? Next up, let's see. You have your wholes quiz, chapters 9 through 12. Again, after you've read it through maybe once, I want you to have that book in your hands to answer the questions that are specific to chapters 9 through 12. Okay, keep up the good work on those quizzes. Next up, you have your language learning group project discussion board. Each student again completes this. We looked at this in class. You spent time talking to each other, to your group mates, and sharing your experiences with language learning. So now you're going to post a written discussion post where you are going to reflect on what you learned from your classmates and discuss any similarities or differences in your experience. You're going to connect those concepts of nature and nurture and mindset that we've been talking about in class. Show me what you know and how you can connect that to your experiences. Make sure that you then reply to 2 of your group mates, okay? This, again, is an important assignment because you'll be able to use this discussion board to help you create your PowerPoint. Now, next week, as you know, you have the Module 1 reading assessment. And you know I have already given you the assigned reading for that assessment. So either you took a hard copy home to annotate, take notes with, to read very closely and very actively. You may also print off or open the article here, but no matter what, you must bring your paper notes to class in week 6 because there will be no use of computers or phones during the test. You must bring your paper notes. You can use them for the test, and it will be important because the test is timed. limited to 40 minutes. So having those notes and being very familiar with the reading is going to benefit you greatly. All right. Those notes will be collected after the test. They are worth 15 assessment points. The rest of the test is worth 35 assessment points for a total of 50. Okay. So take your time with that this week. All right. Here at the bottom, you have the folder that contains all of the information you need to know about the language learning project. If you click here on the first link, you'll have the instructions, which you also have a paper copy. You also have some instructions up here, but feel free to click through. You have all of your sources that you're permitted to use for the project here in this folder as well. Okay, that is what we have for you for this week. So show me that growth mindset, get your work done, and let me know if you have any questions.